Hey guys, half a day and welcome back to the channel. We're here in the heart of Tumon. Today, we're gonna go check out T Galleria by DFS. It's one of the world's largest chain luxury shopping stores in the world. Very exquisite, very luxurious. There's all types of brands here. There's luxury handbags, fragrances, and world-class service that I gotta put out there. Also great promotions on different brands and some exclusive items that you will only get here at T Galleria DFS. So come join me, let's check it out on this virtual 4K tour of T Galleria DFS in Tumon Guam. Alright, so right when you enter, you're just hit with the glorious amount of beauty products this place has. From all the lipstick, eyeliners, and more, to all the center stage of this fragrances, all types of fragrances, high-end fragrances that you're only gonna find here at T Galleria, this travel retail luxury store. Nowhere else on Guam would you find some of these brands that this luxury retail store carries. We'll go on this way. We'll show you more of this beautiful store called T Galleria DFS, and we'll show you a virtual tour of all of this glorious amount of beauty products and more. We have Shumura, we also have Gucci fragrances, Benefit, Makeup Forever. We have the famous Joe Malone London over here. I can't stress how friendly the staff is here. We have Estee Lauder over here. Just down there, I can see Lancome. And we have L'Occitane. Hey, half a day. John Masters Organic over here. Again, very friendly staff. One of the best customer service you're gonna get on island here at T Galleria. We have Bobbi Brown Cosmetics, MAC, Lancome. Bobbi Brown, like I said, YSL, MAC, Lancome here in this area. Continue on with this walk. We have Christian Dior. Very great fragrances there. Shout outs to them. They also stood with Johnny Depp when he had that crazy trial. They're the only brand that kept with them. This one is like a cool photo op. We got Tom Ford. Over there I just saw Giorgio Armani Origins over here. And right in the middle here we have the luxurious Cartier. And high-end watches over here, brands from Zenith to more. Look at this beautiful Cartier shop, nice chandelier over there. Them doing their service to the customers. I'm not gonna go into these boutiques and show you all of these crazy products. I would rather have it that you come and visit. Look at this Longines with Rose from Titanic. What else is over here? We have Bulgari, world luxurious Bulgari brand over here. We'll continue on, show you these quick glances of Hamilton. We got Tissot watches, and we have IWC, Frank Mueller. That's a crazy brand, Frank Mueller. Hublot, the beautiful Mont Blanc with all their crazy pens and belts. Damiani and Omega watches. And they also have Tag Heuer for all your golf enthusiasts out there. For people who are into jewelry, get Tiffany & Co. Get your wedding bands here. Get your necklaces here. Beautiful Tiffany & Co. That beautiful teal blue. Everyone knows that. And of course, if you're into like really puffy jacket and high-end like clothing, winter wear, you have Montclair. Oh, that's cool, man. I saw Drake wearing this in one of his music videos. Oh, on my left, coming up to the famous St. Laurent YSL store. All the girls want these handbags. I do have a button-up from the YSL myself. There's also Prada. Quick peep of Louis Vuitton over there. Louis Vuitton. We'll have Miu Miu up in here. They have a cool collab that they did recently. I saw to the New Balance 574 shoe. That was pretty cool. I can see Loewe here. We got MJ on my left. On my right, you can see Fendi and Gucci, as well as this Prada store as well. A little peep in there. Nice button up and bucket hat. Again, Marc Jacobs, MJ. All these girls love that bag, man. The tote bag by Marc Jacobs. Not much people know this, but Loewe has these really cool catalog books that come with these cool stickers, very high-end looking stickers. Hello, Half a Day. Again, Marc Jacobs. Hi, Half a Day. Friendly staff. Little one's shy. We have Tory Burch. Hello, Half a Day. Tory Burch. Look at that. This used to have a really cool pink curtain. I think they changed the color to orange. Over here we have Burberry, another British brand, Loewe. We'll continue on with this tour this way. We got the famous MK, Michael Kors, up in here. Beautiful boutique. Look at that. Very clean, very pristine looking. Michael Kors. We'll continue on. This is like this new DFS circle that they're doing. Cool mannequins with the visual merchandising going off. We have Kate Spade, New York. Kate Spade, New York. They have really interesting bags in Kate Spade. We got the famous Polo Ralph Lauren. This store here is very cool. I like their inside interior. It looks like you're in a boat or a yacht, like a sailing club in there. Over here, this is their multi-brand area. All these types of brands. Moschino, you got Jimmy Choo, all types that I could see. There's even Furla. Right here, look at the sales that they have here. Up to 50% off. High-end luxury goods. Look at these beautiful shoes by Jimmy Choo and 50% off. What more could you want? Good deals over here in this T Galleria era called multi-brand. Well, even this, more sales that they got going off. This is really cool, you know. High-end brands, they got Converse as well, streetwear fashion, Burberry Kids, all types. And I love it how they have sales here and there, different types. Oh wow, we got Mason Kitsune, we got Alexander McQueen. Over here on my left is the famous Comme des Garçons Play series. Look at that, Play, Comme des Garçons. This is actually from Japan, but they moved off into becoming a French type of brand. But all the creators were mostly, artists were mostly from the Japanese culture. We got the famous Coach. We got Birkenstock shoes. We got, it's even on sale, Birkenstocks. Great sandals there, on sale. On my left, we have the beautiful Coach, New York. I loved all their bags, very original style, New Yorker leather wear, workmanship over here. We have the famous travel luggage, Rimowa. These hard case luggages, they're perfect for any traveler, any vacation traveler out there. On my right, we also have the brand new Salvatore Ferragamo. I know they're now called Ferragamo. They're switching into that. I love their artwork and all their models. We have Chloe on my left. Their bags are very interesting, as well as their leather care and our leather goods and leather handbags. Also, like I said, DFS has these cool promotions. They have this DFS Circle. You can join their loyalty program. They have an app. I think you just gotta Google it or check it out in the App Store. DFS Circle. You have Burberry again. Burberry London. Nice brand. And the famous Italian Gucci. Italian-made leather from Gucci. Over here we have Fendi, you know. This Fendi brand also has those cool, interesting bag that has the Gengar looking eyes. But it's very also high-end leather, calf leather made bags by Fendi. We're gonna continue on with this virtual walking tour of T Galleria. Again, I can't go in and show you everything, but this is real glimpses of the stores and the brands. Look at Gucci, very busy there. Over here we have the famous Celine. Celine is also getting into streetwear. I know they did some cool like modeling campaigns with skaters and more. I'm really into the whole like streetwear fashion, high-end goods things, because it looks cool to see what they can do with the street-end fashion. We got this nostalgic TV display and cool threads by Louis Vuitton. I think we have Zendaya here. Forgot her name, Zendaya. She's from Spider-Man, I believe. But yeah, Louis Vuitton. Beautiful looking booth in there. LV, you know that's the highest brand that you're ever gonna get. from a high-end luxury not footwear, but high-end luxury goods is Louis Vuitton. Right near it, got a busy Hermes. Look at this, Hermes, very busy. I'm not sure about what's the line. Maybe they have great promotions going on right now. Cool glances over this Hermes boutique. Well, we showed you more of the fashion and the luxurious areas of this place. Now we're gonna head over to the, I guess, the souvenirs, which they call destinations. This destinations area, just over there. We'll pass over here. We'll check out the beauty area again. Just quick glances of it. We'll head over there also. Origins as well, like I said. I don't know anywhere else on Guam that you'll find Origins, that brand, or Sulwhasoo, or Diptyque. You know, this is nice. They even have SK2 here and Guerlain. One of my favorite colognes is somewhere around here. It's this brand right here, Bulgari for men. That aqua and that marine, really great smell for men's cologne. L'Occitane and John Masters Organics. We'll continue on over here. It looks like the fashion watch and jewelry accessories area. Very beautiful looking displays full of watches and more. There's this Sunny Life, and of course the famous European Belgium chocolate called Godiva. Belgium chocolate from 1926. All types of categories of different types of chocolate ways you can get it. They even have 70% off this Guam collection. And look at this, exclusive DFS Godiva. We'll continue on with more Guam collection goods. That is, you know, for Guam from DFS, only exclusives that you can get here. Look at that, buy 3, get 1 free. Great promotional deals as well. And we got this classic favorite called Crazy Tees. Look at that beautiful half a day cat crazy t-shirts over here. And also they do you know,
getting my
Guam,
master's degree has really opened up a lot of doors for me professionally, and
different
also
types
has
of vendors
increased my
from
income
Guam,
quite a bit.
unique
WG,
merchandise and arts from Guam that they sell. Cool souvenirs, as well as this I'm not sure what this Guam lovers pancake mix. You know, cool souvenirs for when you come to visit Guam, or if you miss home. Cool little Guam quick tees that you could grab. Beautiful artwork. Look at these Guam tote bags. Oh, this one, local jerk de Nancy. Very good chili paste. These everything Guam cookies, Laddystone cookies, looking good. More de Nancy and also spicy jellies and de Nancy brand hot sauces. Look at that, glorious amounts packed. Also, we have Kaduku cards, cool Guam souvenirs, as well as t-shirts. And also, one of the craziest things that I want to recommend is this coconut tree, coconut candy. Great souvenir to bring back to where you're from. If you're going to the beach, they got some cool floaties and more, like Sunny Life and Kingfisher, you know, some vitamins, some healthcare and more over here. And what else is this? Minois, Paris, great lotions, so much. Look at this, more Guam collections, Guam coffee, Godiva exclusives for Guam, beautiful artwork over there, tons. They even have, what is this? Bunnies by the Bay. We'll check out these shades. Look at these shades, Ray-Bans, beautiful looking displays. Pristine looking displays. We got Ferragamo shades, Tom Ford, Prada, Burberry, you know, eyewear, shades, and all types. They even have Oakley here. Look at these. They even have great sales and promotion, 30% off. They have like even Kate Spade, Oakley shades, Balenciaga, and more. I'm gonna go over here. Over here we have Emporio Armani watches. Look at this. Buy 2, get 20% off of these watches. Again, I can't stress how great these sales are they have here at T Galleria. Got the famous Swatch. We got Citizen, Seiko. I love Seiko. This paper watch. Anne Klein and DFS exclusive watches. We got G-Shocks and more. It's also on sale. Great deals. Coach watches on sale as well. Tons, even more G-Shocks over here. Just tons, and they even have sales. Look at that. Also, they have their own infusion in here, you know, like sit down, take a break from all your shopping. Also, if you just come and arrive, you could check in here. Kilton Grand Vacations. They have the Pandora charm bracelets here. Awesome. APM, Swarovski with these beautiful crystal displays that they have, and more products. What else we have? We have Diesel, we have Skagen, all these types of watches. Again, buy two, get 10% off of this Diesel watch. There's Fossil watches. So much great brands, luxury brands here, as well as promotions and discounts that you can get when going off and looking off here. Look at this Anne Klein, 20% off. Great deals here at T Galleria. We did quite the tour today. I want to thank you guys for watching. My name is Mark. I do virtual tours and Guam vlogs and more of my travels to Philippines and Japan. If I earned your subscription, please subscribe, like this video if you did, and comment down below what you think. This is T Galleria by DFS in Guam, Tumon. I want to thank you guys for watching. I'm out.